Creatives, come in here. You're welcome once again back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a website where you can explore all the AI tools available, and that website is just go to your Chrome, your Safari, any browser extension that you use, Bing, and just type gpte.ai. I am going to drop the link in the description button of this video so you can check it out, and you will see all the AI tools that you want. Now, these are the trendings. You just put it on the trendings and you see all of them. If you click on assistant, video AI, Midjourney, GitHub Copilot, everything. This is where I go to check for all the AI tools that I need. And if you want to be specific about what exactly you want, you can come to, I'm a content creator, so I do video and audio a lot. Yeah, Winstore, on screen, Pictory. These are all the tools that you need. Productivity. Let's go. What are the AI tools for productivity? Notion AI. I love Notion AI. It's really amazing. Meet Gig, all the AI tools that you need for productivity. So depending on what you do, a business person, an academic person, a researcher, whatever field that you belong to, and this is a wall of AI, and I'm encouraging everybody to plug into the availability of AI and make good use of their time. So you just come to this website, sign up if you are new to the website, and then sign in and make good use of all of these availability tools. You can come and pick them, see what it is, learn more about it, and then go back there, utilize the what you've gotten and build something amazing out of it. So today, this is the value I'm bringing to you. Share this video, like this video, comment, and I will see you again next time when I am bringing another exciting video. If you're enjoying my video, kindly subscribe. Till I see you next time, stay blessed and have a great life.